DIY Key Fob Battery Replacement, a simple guide.
Hello there. Today we're tackling a common question. Can I replace the battery in my key fob myself, or do I need to take it to a professional? The good news is, with a little patience and careful steps, you can easily replace the battery yourself. This simple guide will help you get it done.
Do you need professional help?
You typically do not need a professional to replace the battery in your key fob. Changing the battery is a straightforward task that requires minimal tools. Most fobs are designed to be opened easily and the battery replaced. However, if you're uncomfortable doing it yourself or if the fob is damaged, it might be best to consult a professional.
What will you need?
To replace the battery in your key fob, you'll need 1. A small screwdriver or a coin. This is to open your key fob. 2. A new battery. Make sure it's the correct type for your specific key fob.
How to replace the battery?
Here are the steps to replace your key fob battery. 1. Locate the battery compartment. This is usually on the back of the key fob. There might be a small screw holding it in place or a slot designed for a coin or screwdriver to pop it open. 2. Open the battery compartment. Using the coin or screwdriver, apply a bit of pressure and twist. The cover should pop off. Be careful not to damage the fob. 3. Remove the old battery. Note how the battery is placed before removing it. This will ensure you put the new one in correctly. 4. Insert the new battery. Make sure the positive and negative sides are in the right places. It should fit snugly. 5. Replace the battery compartment cover. Ensure it is securely closed. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced your key fob battery. Remember, if you're ever unsure or uncomfortable doing this yourself, don't hesitate to reach out to a professional. We hope this guide has been helpful. Keep exploring and keep learning.